Okay, little update. We came out here to a tower offshore. This morning we were struggling a little bit and
we didn't get any bait.
We didn't find any bait. But we have caught some awesome, huge
red snapper.
Red snapper.
Redfish.
Got a big old redfish. Hannah caught that.
Yeah. Woo! The ladies are doing so good at our update. Good job.
Yay!
Yay!
Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J.O.N. to the easy E.N. Know that we undefeated. Y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance. But it's like the overhead. Better check the air for clearance. Call the tower. This is how it's written. Key to air apparent. Really, I've never been better. Legacy is forever. All the more time I'm raising the bar. You can go ahead and measure. Think about top with toes. Time that we welcome to go. Yo, when just leaving, I think about time to somebody.
Good morning! So, it's a little chilly this morning. We just made our first stop. We're gonna try to get some pogies. I was late, Toby.
Got him? Be careful, take your time. Look at that. What is it, Dad? They're amberjacks. Those are big amberjacks. They're not graders. I have the limit. Yeah. Got him? Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Gotta go this way. Just go that way. Kevin's got him. Come on, there's sharks down there. Don't let him with you. Yeah, that's a real fish. There's a real fish right here. Oh shit, used to this. Oh my gosh, it's a red snapper! It's huge! Come here! Oh my gosh, bring it to me, bring it to me! I don't even know if it's recording. Oh my god! David, come back here and get a picture. There. Put your hand underneath it. There. Oh my god! That's a mad donkey. That's crazy. That's my camera. You need like 90-pound line for this kind of stuff, and we are about 50 under. Yeah. Want a gas? What happened, Levi?
Something tagged it, but he didn't eat the hook.
Oh no, right behind it.
Right behind.
Yep.
Just get it, Kobe. Get it. You get it. Get it.
Yeah.
Out of his way.
You might put a second one of these on and leave one swim bait. Keep Levi with the swim bait and then change payments to the jig. To a second jig, and we'll just swap off. Oh, this is way better. This one's small. God dang, they're strong. Hey, my big one.
Yeah, you're good. Alright, we're going back. Ready?
Oh.
Okay,
Move that pole. That thing's pretty looking. Do I have a mahi? I wish.
What we got? What we got? Go, Jack. Wait. What is it? What the heck? I don't know what
What you got, twin? What you got?
That is not.
Big old fish.
Oh, God. Yeah. Only in his mouth. Pretty good. Just don't drop that. Because if it. Wiggle, wiggle. Go. There he is. Yeah. If we had some another nice one more the first one. Oh my God. Good job.
Get it, brother.
There's a lot more.
Go, Kirby.
Over top. Here, I got it. All right, here. All right, right here.
Okay.
Keep it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Keep going. Oh. I see him. I saw him. I see him. Oh, what is that? Ah, redfish. Is that a redfish? What?
Okay, little update. We came out here to a tower offshore. This morning we were struggling a little bit and
We didn't get any bait.
We didn't find any bait. But we have caught some awesome, huge
Red snapper.
red snapper.
Redfish.
Caught a big old redfish. Hannah caught that.
Some amberjack and amberjack.
We caught some amberjack and amberjack.
Yeah. Woo! The ladies are doing so good at our update. Good job.
Yay!
Yay. Final countdown. Nah, you got this. Come on, Levy. Woo! Big red snapper. Yep.
God, he was way off the bottom, dude. Way off. I was reeling this thing in.
Yep. Another big red. Yeah.
Holy fire.
Yeah. Oh, look at that tag. Look at that tag. All over. Heck yeah.
Oh.
Good job, dude.
I wonder how long that is.
Y'all done?
Hey, we start getting going and we got a 4-hour ride home.
That is not a small whale.
Oh, she almost tailed.
That's him.
That's the calf there.
I think. That's a small, that's... Are they mating or playing or what are they doing? Oh my gosh!
Holy cow.
Are you kidding me?
So the most amazing, craziest, most beautiful thing has happened. We were heading back inshore to the boat ramp and we see something out in the distance in the water, and it is a mama whale and her calf, a baby whale, and we have recorded it and reported it and have talked to a bunch of people, and the calf we saw was 1 in 14 babies in the world. This species we've seen is endangered, and there's only like, they said around 400 of these whales in the whole world, and we're all in disbelief. But we were about to head back and we seen something else in the distance, and we have stumbled across another whale, so the third one of the day. It's so crazy, like made our whole trip. It's so amazing.
Baby too. That one has a baby.
Update, it has a baby too.
We are about to back the trailer down in the water and get the dusky out. Absolutely insane day. We had a pretty good day fishing. Ran pretty good ways offshore, but the whales at the end just capped it off. Absolutely unbelievable experience overall.